But an airplane is deductible 100%. At least it's been for a number of years, and they haven't changed it yet. But if you go buy an airplane for the business, and there's rules you got to follow to do it, but you buy the airplane, and so this is the simplified version. Profits here are $350,000, but if you buy a $350,000 airplane, you can write the whole thing off the first year. So instead of paying tax on $350,000, what are you paying tax on?
Nothing.
Nothing. You just saved a ton of money.
All right, cool. Well, I guess we should all just go out and buy an airplane. I mean, it seems pretty simple. Yes. So, I mean, what he's saying is factually correct. You can depreciate equipment that you buy for your business, and that includes vehicles like work trucks. It includes equipment, heavy equipment like forklifts or cranes or things like that. And it also includes airplanes. So if you bought an airplane and you write the whole thing off the first year, it reduces your profit by that much. Profit is what you pay tax on. So you could potentially reduce your profit to zero the year you bought the airplane. Couple of catches. One, you have to pay for that airplane, right? So if you're buying, in his example, a $350,000 airplane, you have to pay $350,000 to buy it. Or you don't have that cash or don't want to use that cash, you can get a loan, pay 10% down, $35,000, finance the rest, but now you're paying interest. Either way, you're on the hook for paying $350,000. Second thing is, buying an airplane in itself is just the start, right? Then once you've bought an airplane, you have ongoing costs for maintenance, for fuel, for oil, for all the replacement parts, tires, brakes, everything else. Except airplanes are even more expensive than cars to maintain because they have to have regular inspections to make sure they remain airworthy, and insurance on a plane is not cheap. And you need to keep it a hangar or tie down. So yes, if you were gonna buy a plane anyway, or you're planning to buy a plane and you're a pilot and there's a business case to be made for the business owning a plane, it can be a nice tax write-off, but it is by no means free, and it is by no means a surefire thing that everyone can do. You can just go out and buy an airplane for your business to save on taxes. He's not wrong, but the people who can apply this advice is a very, very limited crowd. If you're one of them, great. It's an awesome deduction that you can take advantage of. For everybody else, it's like, yeah, that's a nice idea, but never going to happen for me. So kind of a strange thing to, I don't know, I guess, again, put out there for everybody when it's a very small slice of the world that is going to be able to use this advice.